Hello and welcome to this new video on Python game development using Pygame. Let's start by creating our first Pygame window. First, we need to import Pygame and initialize it. Then, we create a window by defining its width and height, and finally, running our game loop. Here's a simple example. Now let's learn about events, game loops, and sprites for our game. Events are actions or occurrences that can be monitored by the program, such as mouse clicks or key presses. The game loop is a continuous loop where the game's logic runs and updates the screen. Sprites are graphical objects, like characters or items, that we can control and animate in the game. Let's see how to add a sprite to our game. In this example, we created a player class that inherits from Pygame sprite. We loaded an image for the player called player, PNG, and assigned it to the player object. We created a sprite group and added the player object to this group. In the game loop, we update the sprites, set the background color to black, draw the sprites, and update the display. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.